How to install FGLED10, the high output fire rated LED downlight. In the box you will find detailed instructions. Read these and check you have all the tools and accessories required to complete the installation correctly. It's recommended that luminaires are installed and fitted by a qualified electrician, ensuring the installation complies to current IEE wiring regulations. Next, remove the terminal block casing and cable clip. Then, switch off the main supply before installation. Next, cut the mounting hole in the ceiling. Dimensions are included on the instruction sheet included in the box. Now connect the luminaire to 240 volt supply, ensuring you check the mains cable preparation instructions. Replace the cable clip and terminal block casing. Finally, press springs back and push luminaire into aperture.